In this video, I'm going to show you how to add breaks in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the bottom left and click on Feature Add-ons, and from here, you want to click on Breaks. Now, whenever you're in here, you basically want to go to this break store over here, so just keep clicking Next over here. Of course, you can read all about it if you want to, and then when you're done, you can basically add a break rule or a break over here. So, for example, if I go ahead and just type, of course, click on over here where it says Add a Break Rule, I can go and of course create a new break, or what they call it, break rule. So we're going to name this one over here. We're going to do like a meeting break like this. Okay, it's just going to be a random one, and then the short code is going to be meeting like that, and then length is going to be 15 minutes. Of course, you can change it as well if you want to. You can make it paid or unpaid, and then you can assign the team members, which of course this is relevant to. I'm going to go all of them, and then you can of course make it automatic, where of course it triggers automatically, or you could basically allow it to be a manual break where a worker can start or stop that break. So I'm not going to do either of these. I'm just going to click on save over here, and as you can see, it's going to tell me that I have to do this, so apparently I do have to. So I'm going to make this one a manual break. I'm going to click on save, and there we go. It's going to add a break just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.